Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Walmart gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Walmart gift card and make sure you have the card number and PIN ready. These are usually found on the back of the card under a scratch-off panel. Step 2. Activate at walmart.com. Go to the official Walmart gift card website at walmart.com/giftcards. Log into your Walmart account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Select Activate a gift card or Register a card. Enter the card number and PIN as requested and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your Walmart gift card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation online. Your Walmart gift card is now ready to use for in-store or online purchases. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Walmart gift card balance at checkout, in-store, or online. Simply enter your card details when prompted, and your balance will be applied to your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.